Hi, for this video, we're just gonna do something very awesome. Arithmetic sequences. Previously we did quadratic sequences, awesome, right? So now you're just doing arithmetic sequences. They're awesome as well. Let's figure out how awesome they are. So cool. So arithmetic arithmetic sequences. Cool, right? So these are arithmetic sequences. And basically the formula for this will be I'm going to straight to the formula, but before I go there, let me just give you a couple of notes. So basically you have a sequence Tn, T1, T2, T3, blah blah blah. It could be infinity. Let's just say it ends Tn, which is perfectly fine, right? So what you're gonna do is so that's your sequencing, right? And previously we found that for quadratic sequencing, we find that you have to find the second difference and first difference and the second difference, and second difference will always be the same. Okay, all right, that's what we found. Cool. But then with this one, so let's just say for notes sakes this is your quadratic sequence. Okay, but with arithmetic, so you still have the same thing. Now what happened is when you find a difference, the first difference is the same, and you find this difference is the same. You know what I mean? Till this one is all the same. So with quadratic, you have to go to the second difference to find it to be the same. But with arithmetic, they are all the same. This is your arithmetic, right? So D basically means that T2 minus T1 is the same as T3 minus T2, as T4 minus T3, and so on. Okay, probably till Tn minus Tn minus 1. Okay, so if you find a difference between T1 and T2, you're gonna get D. Find a difference between T2 and T3, you're gonna get D. Tn and Tn minus 1, you're gonna get D. Okay, so basically that's your D. Okay, now what is the formula? Because the formula for this was Tn is equal to an squared plus bn plus c. Okay, and we figured out how to find a and b. We figured out this was a, this was 3a plus b. Okay, and then this was a plus b plus c. Cool. Now with this one, the formula there's also something here. Formula will be Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 times d. Very simple, which is cool because you already have the difference, which is this thing here, and you already have a, and a is T1, the first term. Okay, so a is equal to the first term, T1. And then you just substitute in and get your answer. Let me give you an example. Okay, let's say you are in a situation probably like this. They will say given an arithmetic sequence. Okay, 5, 5, 9, 13, 17, 21, blah blah blah. Okay, so the first thing first is to find your difference. How to find a difference? Difference is the difference between these two terms, which is 9 minus 5. So 9 minus 5, you're gonna get 9 minus 5, which is 4. Even this one, 13 minus 9. So 13 minus 9 is 4. You see what I'm talking about? That the difference are the same. You can even look at this one, 17 minus 13, which is 4. 17 minus 13 is 4. You can look at this one. 21 minus 17 is 4. So the difference is the same. Obviously, you don't have to write all of these things when you're writing in your exams. So what you're gonna write in your exam is, let me quickly get a different color. So what you're gonna write in your exam is probably D is equal to 9 minus 5, which is 4. And then your A, we know your A, your first term, and your first term is 5. And then what you're gonna do, you know your formula. Formula is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. And then Tn, your A is 5, n minus 1, your D is 4. That's it. That's your answer. You know, you can wanna rearrange this to be 5 plus 4, n minus 1. Really still the same thing. That's your answer. Simple as that. If they want you to find, probably the question to this would be like, because I didn't write the question, so there's, say, given a sequence, probably the question to this would be, find the nth term of the sequence, right? Because when they say the nth term, they're talking about Tn, and Tn is just what you just found here, which is awesome.